Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed opening. On the application of NFL, we go to settings. In this page, we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, we will search about NFL app and you can click here. Then this page of app info, we click on first stop and you can click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching.